have 7 minutes less to get elevator R. Let's see if we can get a round trip on this. I don't know if I'll be able to get on this. What the hell? Oh, this is late. I'm trying to see where this goes. What if this is gonna be hydraulic? 11, yeah. Tiny indicator. Oh wow. I didn't realize this is where it goes. I don't know if there's another elevator to get back down. As you can see, there's the timer. I'll come back down here in a second. Never mind. Yeah, I'm back down. Tiny indicator on it. Very basic head. Oh, it just reloaded. What the hell? And there it is. Alright, I'm gonna go see Rush. That's it.